Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today is Friday and I am working 7 in the morning till 6 in the afternoon or the evening, and when I have previously filmed a what I eat in a day, it's been when I've been off work on my days off. So I thought it might be interesting to do a what I eat in a day on Slimming World while I'm working, because I do shift work, so I need to like be organised, have stuff on me, and it's very tempting to just eat out when I'm out with service users. I always like to be prepared. I thought I would show you what I'm going to eat today. For breakfast I have just been having this Alpro high protein strawberry and raspberry yoghurt. It looks a bit rank but it tastes really good. The raspberry sauce was in the middle, but I've mixed it all up. It looks quite thick because it's protein yoghurt, but it tastes really good. And this is 1.5 cents for the pot. It's quite a decent portion you get. And then I'm going to move on to, my kitchen's a mess because I was baking last night. Still need to clean that up, but I'm not doing that at 6:30 in the morning. I'm also just drinking a white Monster as usual because I need to wake up. And I've got my lunch here, so move that out the way. I am going to have a banana this morning for part of my breakfast, but I'm going to have that when I start work because I'm not that hungry just now. I've got 2 apples to snack on throughout the day. I've got Space Raiders, they're obviously free. Apple is speed food. Space Raiders pickled onion is 3 cents for the packet. 2 cans of Diet Coke, which are free. And then in this little thermos I've got parsnip soup that I made, garlic and parsnip soup that I made yesterday. And with that I'm going to have 3 slices of Kingsmill Crustless, the wholemeal one, and that will be my healthy extra beef for the day. I've not added any butter just because I couldn't be bothered this early in the morning, and it will save on sins for snacks that I might want later. So that's my lunch and breakfast sorted. I have no idea what I'm doing for dinner, but I will obviously catch up with you at dinner time because I have no gaps between my shifts today, so I can't update you. But yeah, see you at dinner time. Hi everyone, it's just coming up for 4:30. I thought I would update you while I'm just about to head into my last shift of the day. My soup was gross. It was garlic and parsnip soup, which I usually love, but the recipe asked for a tablespoon of thyme and it was just, no, not thyme, a tablespoon of rosemary, and it was just too much. It doesn't taste good. All I can taste is rosemary. And the soup itself is a bit too thick, so I didn't enjoy my lunch at all. So I was starving because I couldn't finish it, and then I've came to my next shift but I'm still early, so I decided to try and push through and finish the rest of my soup. I drank most of it but it was horrible. And then I also had my second apple of the day. I'm feeling a little bit more full now, but I was so tempted to get a McDonald's or a wrap out of Morrison's or something just to fill me up because I'm so hungry. I think I didn't pack enough to eat today, but it's the first time I've been trying to do Slimming World on a shift this long without any major gaps that I could nip home and get more food. So I'm not feeling too bad anymore. I was so tempted though, like I was sitting in Morrison's car park before I drank the rest of my soup ready to buy a wrap, but I'm glad I've not wasted it for myself. I've got an hour and a half left of work and then it'll be dinner time, and I'm really excited for dinner, so I'll catch up with you guys then. I am home. I'm so happy to be home. I have just had my dinner. You guys will be sick of seeing this, but I've actually not had it for a couple of weeks, and because I had such a great loss at Slimming World yesterday, I wanted to have this curry. I've used up the rest of my Mayflower curry powder, so I'll need to get more. But I ended up having the Mayflower curry with rice. Ryan made the rice for me and put a stock cube in the water and it makes it taste amazing. And then I had onions and peas and 4 corn chicken nuggets. So I ran out of the curry powder like I said, so the total sins is actually 3 instead of 4 because it wasn't a full portion. 3 plus the 4 nuggets is a total of 5 sins for my dinner, and that brings the total of sins for the day at 6.5, I think. Yeah, 6.5 sins. I don't know what I'll be having later on. I think I'm going to have a little ice cream or something later, but I will keep you updated. I'm just sitting in bed at the moment and I'm going to edit another video and hopefully get it uploaded tonight or for tomorrow. We'll wait and see. I've also been drinking a bottle of water throughout the day that I forgot to show you, but I'm really bad at drinking water, so I need to get better and drink more. But I just feel like I always need a pee when I'm drinking so much water. Anyway, I will catch up with you guys later on tonight. It is currently 7 o'clock, so I've just finished my dinner at 7 and possibly have a little snack in the evening. I meant to say as well, my service user on my latest shift went to McDonald's and I had to order it for her, and it was so tempting just to get something, like having to order a McDonald's and go through the drive-through but you don't get anything. It sucks, but I know it's going to be worth it and I don't want a gain on the scale, and I wouldn't have enjoyed it that much anyway. It's just the idea of a McDonald's. Or at lunchtime we were in the food court and that's surrounded by like a McDonald's, a noodle place, pizza, what else? Subway. So I was like, temptations were there, but I just stuck to my rank soup. And yeah, so I'm pleased that I didn't waste it for myself, and I've still got sins left over for my snack this evening. Hello, it's 9:30 at night. I am just on my own. Ryan's went out with his friend, so I'm just chilling watching YouTube videos, and I decided I am going to have a snack. So I bought these Swedish glace little mini magnum type things. I'll open it up and show you, but they are 5.5 sins each. I'm ending the day on 12 sins, which is just a few under your daily allowance, so that's just perfect. And I'm going to enjoy my little magnum. That's what it looks like. It actually reminds me of, remember Viennettas? I used to love them. Obviously can't have them anymore because of vegan and Slimming World, but these remind me of it because this chocolate's nice and thin and it just melts in your mouth. It's so nice. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this, and that is all that I'll have to eat today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this what I eat in a day. It's a little bit different doing it for a typical work day for me, and I will make more in the future that are all a bit different with my shifts. So yeah, thanks again for watching and I'll see you in my next video.